Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports Face ID and that iOS is up to date. Once ready, make sure you have a secure passcode set. Face ID requires it. Now open Settings, choose Face ID and passcode, and tap Set up an alternate appearance. This step lets you register a second face without replacing the first. Do this in good light and remove sunglasses. The camera needs clear facial geometry to capture both sets of unique features accurately. You'll follow on-screen prompts to position the alternate person within the frame and then rotate their head slowly. Make sure they hold still for each capture. The process runs 2 scan cycles to map depth and texture. Once done, repeat the circle motion as prompted but vary angle slightly so the system learns different views. If you need to add another person later, the same alternate appearance slot can represent someone with notably different features, and that preserves your original Face ID. You finish by testing Unlock, Apple Pay, and other authentications with each registered face to confirm success. If recognition fails, make sure the true depth camera is clean and try again in steady lighting. Inconsistent light confuses the sensor. Once done, you can redo the alternate appearance or choose Reset Face ID to start fresh if problems persist. Remember that highly similar faces can confuse the system, so redo scans with slight angle and expression variation to improve accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.